Hello, everybody. It's Rachel Brown here. Today I am going to show you guys something called an infinity pour. I've got all my colors here mixed up. I've got my warm colors over here and then my cool colors and over here, and my warm colors over here. I didn't mix the orange right here because I wanted to show you the ratio of paint to pouring medium, which I am going to be using Floetrol. It's usually a 2-to-1 ratio, 2 parts medium, 1 part paint, but it really all depends on what type of paint you're using. For instance, craft paint is going to be a lot thinner than like acrylics, like tube acrylics. See? Oh, wait, let's turn. Oh, there we go. And I am using Arteza, their acrylic colors. Mix. That's the warm colors are the Arteza acrylics, and then the cool colors are golden acrylics, tube acrylics. So you just want to mix your paint really, really well, get it all, the medium all incorporated in there. And then you add just a little bit of water to give it to allow the paint to flow. So this one is going to be I'm going to pour into 2 different cups and then do kind of like a figure 8 type motion pouring the paint on here. So let's go ahead, and I'm also going to be using white and black as contrast. And this is an 8x10 canvas, so we're not going to need too much paint, maybe about 5 ounces. So I'm going to try and do half of each cup, or fill each cup halfway. Okay, now the warm colors. And this yellow, I actually, instead of mixing it with Floetrol, I mixed it with varnish. Let's see, where is it? The Liquitex gloss medium and varnish. So this will be a first. We're going to be experimenting here. Never tried it before as a pouring medium, so hopefully it does some neat stuff for us. Now, around each. It already looks like it's doing some pretty neat stuff in there in that cup. Okay. Right. Yep. All right. So what I'm gonna do, like I said, is kind of like a swishing motion. We're gonna see how it turns out. Let's see if I've got, hand-eye coordination. Okay. Definitely have some cool swirly stuff going on. for a second. And I'm going to grab my torch real quick. Alright, I went and got the torch. Turn it on. Oops. That's a little high. Okay, we're going to torch it, get some of these bubbles out. Okay, get my head out of the way. And now tilt. Okay, this is the close-up. Got some pretty nifty stuff going on. So this is going to be the bottom right-hand corner. Upper right-hand corner, and like these lines in here and this lacing is really, really stinking cool. And across the top, come on, focus. There we go. Upper left-hand corner and bottom left-hand corner. That's really cool. There it is in the center. Alright. Well, there we go, you guys. That was the Infinity Pour with warm and cool colors.